Guys, welcome back to another awesome video. So let's get started. Now, the first squishy here is a sloth. Now, start.
A different kind of family game. Racy looking house, family wearing silly hats. This game looks fun.
Now, enough of that squishy. Now, the next squishy is a Hello Kitty. Kitty.
Squishy.
Kitty squishy.
Okay, squish it.
And took everything from me. Max and Phoebe even stole my fun on their skateboard.
Now.
You a villain like my father. Bad boy, son. I don't really know you, but I've never been drafted. Now let's play my favorite game. The painter saved the princess.
I don't want to play that game. Now, let's get on to the next squishy. Now, this is a
Galaxy.
Galaxies squishy.
Start squishing. Now.
This has defects.
Now.
It's sleeping.
You ready for a little father-son time? You know it, kid. Say, after we finish here, how about we enter one of those father-son beauty?
Now.
And next squishy is a chocolate waffle.
Now.
What the heck? I'm sorry. Did the Max and Phoebe Mama Mama face-off not start?
Yummy in my tummy. Ice cream. Yummy. Mm. Where's the other cat squishy? Who's that?
From the makers of Guess Out, it's Plush and Frenzy. Push the handle to secure many times to plunge. Look out! You caught the punch. Mix the crab and get a token.
Now.
Here is the panda squishy and it looks really cute.
Playing with your food just got a whole new spin. It's Chow Crown, new from Hasbro Gaming. Pick your food on the forks and set the crown spinning. Gobble it up before the music stops. You can outjob the competition. Never see food not included with self-assembly and supervision required.
From our crazy delicious family to yours. Part of this complete breakfast. Crave those crazy.
Now.
Here's a yummy cupcake squishy.
Now.
Your one item would be the name your price tool? It helps people save on car insurance. Why wouldn't it save me? Wow, what would you bring? A boat?
We cannot wait any longer. Time is running out. On a brand new season of I Am Frank, Andrew Lapierre risked his life to help me. We have to get him out of there. A machine like me? If there's one android, there could be more. Androids are Monday, September 10th.
This will be the last squishy I'm showing you.
Men after the Z-Force split us up, Max and I were forced to do battle. It was a close fight until... So sorry. What did your parents do when they found out that Max beat you? They haven't been home yet. I couldn't face them.
Check out my $1 million idea. It's the Bradford Bouncy Ball. Isn't that just a ball? You sound like my ex-girlfriend.
Panda.
Mm.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up. If you don't, just
Don't leave any
Watch
hate
it.
comments.
don't leave no hate comments, of course, because squishy videos are more good But give a thumbs up and turn on my notification thingy.
Notification bell. And subscribe.
So we're
If you
doing-
guys do all that stuff, put it down in the comments and we'll try to shout you out in this video. Love you guys.
Love you.
Bye.